It is funny how the internet is saturated with a lot of information, including penis enhancement products, and it is funny how men do very well at consuming this information without thinking about the health of their penis. It is always how big I can grow my penis, how deep I can go inside the vagina, how beautiful, how long, and how this and how that I can do to my penis. The appearance is just the most thrilling part for all men and even women. But then we tend to forget that you have to keep the penis healthy. So in this video, I'll be telling you 11 ways to keep the penis healthy, and if you are up for all that goodness, please watch this video till the end. Hi there, my name is Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if you are just setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please don't make the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. Number 1 is stay hygienic. It is essential to practice good personal hygiene, not just on your body but also with your genitals, which is the penis. And this will not alone prevent infections but also help to maintain the environment around the penis and also reduce smells in the penis and even the organs associated with it, like the scrotum, the penile hood, perineum. It is advised that if you are not circumcised, you should clean underneath the foreskin with soap and water, and also return the foreskin to its original state after intercourse. Number 2, limit alcohol and quit smoking. It is no news that excessive alcohol intake and also regular smoking can impair blood circulation in the penis, which can cause erectile dysfunction and also reduce the size of the penis. So if you want to maintain length, do well to quit smoking and also do away with alcohol. Number 3, get vaccinated. It is important that you get vaccinated for HPV, which is human papilloma virus, if you are around 26 or younger in age. This vaccine will help you prevent cancers associated with HPV virus. Number 4, practice safe sex. You can do this by the use of condoms and also maintaining one sex partner who has been tested and is free of STDs and STIs. Number 5, stay hydrated. Hydration is key. So drinking plenty of water will help not just your overall health but also your penile health as well. Number 6, eat food rich in balanced diet. It is mandatory that you incorporate diets rich in vitamins, lean protein, fruits and vegetables. This will contribute positively to the overall health and also your penile health. Number 7, get adequate sleep. Impaired sleep patterns can interfere with hormonal balance and overall health, potentially affecting your sexual function. So it is advised that you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep at night. Number 8, exercise regularly. It is good to aim at least 150 minutes of exercise per week. This will promote blood flow, which is essential for your penile health. Number 9, maintain healthy weight. Being overweight can predispose you to health issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and even erectile dysfunction. Number 10, pay attention to your mental health. As humans, we get stressed, if not every time, but most times. So it is important that you adapt some techniques to alleviate this stress. So you could incorporate stress management techniques like yoga or meditation, because chronic stress can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Number 11 is get checked regularly. So it is important to get checked regularly just so you can note the on-rise of some health issues and also tackle them immediately to avert problems which can pose threats to your health and even to your penile health as well. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really helpful and educative, Do well to share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.